Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are making chocolate oatmeal cake. And first, the ingredients. You have 120 grams of oats into a bowl. Soak it with the hot milk. And then take your banana. For me, I'm using 2 according to the recipe. Then you give it a very good mash. For me, I'm using a fork, but you can even use a blender. But why a blender? Save energy. Just use the fork and you just get the good results too. So after that, you give it a very good mash. Make sure your banana is sweet. The sweeter the banana or the ripe the banana, the sweet your oatmeal cake will be. After that, let's crack in our 2 eggs. Then we give it a very good whisk. For the eggs, I just got them from my farm. That's why you can see the yellow yolk. After giving it a good whisk, let's put our egg mixture into the banana mixture. And then give it another good whisk. Let's take our cocoa powder. And then we mix it all together. And then we put our baking powder. And make sure you avoid the lumps by passing your cocoa through a strainer. Then let's add it into the soaked oats. After that, let's give it a very good mix. Let's mix it nice and easy. Make sure you incorporate all the ingredients into the bowl. Then let's put our mixture into the baking tray or a baking pan. Then you can top it with the nuts of your choice. Cashew nuts, walnuts, groundnuts. For me, I'm using groundnuts. Any of your choice. Then after that, bake it for 40 minutes. Whoa, and here we go. We have all chocolate oatmeal cake. It's ready. If you love this recipe, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for amazing recipe and more recipe. Thank you for watching. For good food, good mood.